Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and who knew this sleeping bag would save my life? Ohuhu knew. That's who knew. Ah. This sleeping bag is great. It had a great value and is pretty compact for a two-person sleeping bag that's rated for 20 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's why this thing helped me so much. We went on a camping trip and it was going to be a lot colder than we were expecting. I ordered this online. It came quickly. Is waterproof, which is great for if you are sleeping in very cold temperatures. Condensation causes a lot of dampness in your tent and sleeping bag. So it's great that this is waterproof. A great feature about this is that you can separate it and make it into two separate sleeping bags in case you're going backpacking. This is a little hard to put in your backpacking backpack. You can separate them, put them into compression sacks, and you're good to go for any temperature you run into as you climb to different elevations. This truly was a lifesaver. It was comfortable, it was roomy, it is high quality, a great value. It is just a great sleeping bag to have if you like to do cold weather camping. I really think you should add this to your camping gear, and that's my point of view.